Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Microsoft Intune Microsoft Entra ID Complete Master Course from Zero to Expert. And in this video we are moving to basically video number 60, where we are going to focus on Windows Labs, or you can say the local administrator password solution. The main goal of Windows Labs is to protect our local administrator password on Windows device by basically automatically managing and rotating the local password for that local account. So as soon in here, basically we start with Windows 11 device. Windows Labs basically manage the administrator password instead of basically using one static password across multiple machine. The password can be automatically rotate. So we can manage Windows Labs by using Microsoft Intune, which makes it basically much easier to configure and apply the required policy across the enterprise devices. So Microsoft Entra ID can also use to securely store and control the labs managed credential depending on the deployment design, how you design your infrastructure. So we are going to design our complete labs infrastructure in next few videos basically. So this basically help organization to reduce the risk of stolen or reuse the local administrator password, and basically help in limit unauthorized access and improve overall endpoint security protection. So in upcoming lab, we will go beyond theory and actually configure Windows Labs with Microsoft Intune for Windows 11 devices. So let me show you my lab environment. So till now, what we have deployed. So basically, this is my on-prem infrastructure. So I got my domain controller, I got my sync server, and then we got four virtual machine which is running Windows 11. So out of these four virtual machines, basically, you can see here our basically two virtual machines are intra joined machines, and two machines are intra Microsoft Intra hybrid join machine, which we joined in last few videos throughout this course. So now if I go to Intune, basically this is Microsoft Intra ID admin center, and if I go to Intune, basically you should be able to see our four virtual machine which is running Windows 11, and you can see all machines are compliant currently. So we have two machines which is intra ID join, and two machines which is hybrid join. So we are going to deploy labs on currently on this infrastructure. So if I show you, uh, let's say this is my one of the client machines. So if I show you, let's say get local user, so you should be able to see we have administrator user, and same administrator user is available with the all the Windows 11 client machines, basically whatever we have in our infrastructure. So basically most of the infrastructure have local administrator account on each Windows machine, and basically this is the security challenge to have a static IP, let's say a static basically password for all the machines. So let's say if in your infrastructure you have 100 machine or 200 machine or maybe 1,000 machine, so managing the static password is always going to be complex. So this is what we are going to discuss in this video. And then if you see by default, if I run get labs command, so you can see these are the commands and function which is available in all the Windows 11 machine, because Windows are available. Windows 11 natively support Windows Labs. So let's now understand what is Windows Labs, and then we will try to implement this in production infrastructure. So Windows Labs stands for basically local administrator password solution. It basically main purpose is to automatically manage and protect local administrator password on Windows devices. So the first important feature is automatic basically any Windows local administrator password rotation. Instead of keeping the same local administrator password for very long time, Windows Labs can automatically change the password based on the configured policy. So the second part is secure storage. Basically, the managed password is going to be securely stored in Microsoft Intra ID. So administrator don't need to basically maintain a password manually on each individual machine. And finally, we have controlled access. So only authorized administrator can with the required permission, can retrieve the password when it is actually needed, basically. Uh, This basically significantly reduce the risk of using shared or static local password for administrator across the multiple device. So Windows Labs give you three keys basically capabilities. So first is automatic password rotation, secured password storage, which is Microsoft going to be stored in Microsoft Intra ID, and then we have a control administrative access based on the role based access. So now let's understand why local administrator password can become a serious security risk if we are not managing properly. So the first problem is weak and easy discoverable password. So if some if the same sample basically you can say the password is used across your multiple Windows devices. So if one machine is got compromised, it basically your all the machines is compromised. And the second risk is lateral movement. If attacker opt in the local ID, basically local administrator credential, they may have they may can use this credential to move on other compromised machine from one compromised machine to another machine which can be compromised with since it has the same local ID and password. Another common password which we already discussed shared administrator password. So when multiple people use the same local administrator credential, it become very difficult to determine who actually access the system and perform the particular access. So let's say for if you have a local ID which is administrator and same administrator is password is shared with multiple users. So who logged in, who performed the activity, you can never track basically. And then finally, there are compliance issues. Shared weak or long living local administrator password can violate the organization security policy, and it is difficult to maintain proper access control. So this is exactly where Windows Labs become useful. Instead of manually managing the same password for local administrator across multiple machine, Labs can basically help you to automatically rotate the password and provide controlled access to only authorized administrator with the role-based access. So managing local administrator password is not just about the convenience. It's basically important part of endpoint security and reduce lateral movement in your infrastructure. So now let's compare Windows Labs with the legacy Microsoft Labs, because understanding the difference is important when you are planning the modern Windows security deployment. So first, Windows Labs is built into supported version of Windows basically. So it's included in Windows 10, Windows 11, and supported Windows Server Edition also. With the legacy solutions, we need to install and manage the separate agent for labs basically. Second one is password storage. So labs can use Microsoft Intra ID, while legacy labs solution use the primary use Active Directory to save the password. So both solutions support basically supports configuration. So basically password rotation, but the Windows Labs provide more than basically legacy Windows Labs. Uh, with the basically Windows Labs provides a more modern security model with the least privileged capabilities and all. So another major difference is deployment. So with Windows Labs, there is no separate Labs agent need to be installed, which make its deployment and management much more easier and simpler, because the operating system natively supports that. So we can look at the overall architecture. So basically, Windows Labs is the modern and recommended approach for new deployment, while Windows legacy Microsoft Labs should be mainly considered when supported older environment. You are basically planning to support a older and legacy environment. So in this video, we are going to focus on Windows Labs with Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Entra ID. And now we have basically let's see how how we can manage Windows labs using Microsoft Intune. So the overall process is actually quite straightforward. We can break into three main steps. Basically, first we need to configure Windows labs in Microsoft Intune. So we can create Windows labs policy and define the settings. So we can basically we want to use, and then basically such as yeah, settings can be defined such as manage local administrator account, password rotation, behavior, and all those things. Next comes deployment phase. Once the policy is created, we can assign the with the appropriate group or maybe of the devices. So Intune then delivers that policy to the targeted devices. Finally, we have protection and management. Basically, once the policy is applied, the Windows Labs manage the local administrator password accordingly our basically configuration which is defined in labs policies. So then password can be securely stored in Microsoft Entra ID and automatically rotate based on the policy. So now now let's talk about local administrator account management, which is important part of basically securing Windows devices in the enterprise environment. So the first area is control. Basically, we need to know basically which administrator accounts exist and on our devices and make sure they are properly managed. So we should avoid unnecessary administrator account and limit administrator access. Basically. To only people who need basically who need access. Second area is security. We should follow the principle of least privilege and use a strong, unique password for local administrator. And this basically helps reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Next is password rotation with the Windows Labs. Basically, you can automatically rotate the local administrator password based on the configured policy. So this is much safer than using the static password for the longer period. And finally, we have audit basically. So we should generally monitor administrative access and review who accessing these account and why. So effectively, basically, local administrator management comes down from basically four key areas: control, secure, rotate, and audit. So when we combine these practice with the Windows Labs and Microsoft Intune, we can basically improve our endpoint security and reduce the risk of associated with the local administrator password, which we discussed earlier in this basically presentation. So now let's look at the two important Windows Labs capability, which is password rotation and password backup. So we already discussed password are automatically changed as per defined intervals, which is defined in policy, and password backup is securely basically going to backup and save that password in Microsoft Entra ID. So whenever this is required, it can be accessed by the required users. And now we have, let's talk about Microsoft Entra ID integration and how it's helped to secure and manage Windows devices. So as you can see in the diagram, Windows devices connect with Microsoft Entra ID, which becomes the central identity platform for the organization. One of the biggest advantage here, the centralized identity management. So instead of managing basically identity separately across different systems, administrator can manage users and device identity from the central location. So the benefit is basically centralized management, single sign-on, and conditional access enforcement. And then we have Active Directory, basically integration. So as you can see in the diagram, basically Active Directory as is a central identity and management. Basically, it's manage the objects such as users, group, computers, and all. So when a Windows device is domain joined, it establishes the basically trust relationship with Windows Active Directory. This allow device and users to authenticate against the domain and access organization resources. So basically, we have also group policy support. Basically, with the group policy, we can centralize, apply the settings, configuration, restrictions, and other enterprise requirement to the domain joint machine. So basically, in our environment, we have both machines. So we have we have already discussed. We have two machines, with is basically hybrid intra-hybrid join, so which is locally joined to our domain, and then we have two machines which is intra-ID join. And then this is basically Microsoft Intune Labs policy, which we are going to create. So the process is very straightforward. Create policy, configure Windows Labs settings in Intune, assign that policy to target devices, and then enforce. So passwords are rotate and securely stored in Microsoft Intune. So we have dedicated video, next video, which is where we are going to implement this in our lab. And then Windows, this is Windows Lab security architecture, which is very important to understand basically. So on the left side, we have Windows device where the Windows Labs client manages the local administrator password. When the password is created or rotated, basically, Labs securely writes that password in to basically Microsoft Entra ID, which act as a password storage location in this architecture. Basically, the important part here is that the administrator don't need to know or manually manage that password. So when the authorized administrator need access, they can retrieve the password from Microsoft Entra ID. So you can securely basically recover your password. So let's say for now, if I go to any of the, I am on Microsoft Entra ID Admin Center. If I click on any device, and if I click here, local administrator password recovery, you should be able to see here, like labs is not configured. So that's why we are not getting password. Otherwise, we should be able to see the password. So this is what we are going to configure in next video. And basically, as shown in the bottom, basically, there are three key security benefits. First is password are stored securely in Microsoft Entra ID. Second is only authorized administrator can retrieve them, and then the third is password is automatically going to rotate basically, so reducing the risk of compromised password for long duration. And then we have a, RBAC role-based access for labs password. So from Microsoft Intra ID, only required user should be able to recover the password, such as global administrator, help desk admin, and all. Normal users cannot basically recover the password. So labs passwords are always protected by the rule-based access. And then these are the enterprise basically best practices. So first recommendation is pilot test, so which is we are going to do. So before deploying labs policy across your basically enterprise organization, entire organization, basically test with a small group of device. This help to identify configuration or permission issue before it has wider impact. Next one is least privilege. So labs password should be only accessible to authorized administrator, support roles, and avoid giving unnecessary access to sensitive credential. Third one is rotate password on regular basis to configure a password rotation schedule. So basically, even if the password is compromised, it does not remain for the longer period. And next one is who should basically we should always monitor and audit the environment. So whosoever is basically having the labs admin, basically they should always review basically accessing the labs password, monitor audit logs and unexpected behavior in the infrastructure. Finally, we have backup access. So make sure these documented. We have a big break glass or recovery process solution on where the basically normal administrator is not available to access. So these five practices: pilot test, least privilege, regular rotation, monitoring, and recovery plan help you to basically make Windows Labs deployment more secure, control, and manageable for enterprise scale. So we are going to follow this deployment in next video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. And if you have any query, any question related to this, you can always post me my given mail IDs. So thank you once again. Bye bye.